Assalamualaikum. Hope everybody you are fine. Actually, some students, especially some foreign students, ask me to know more about Faculty of Biotechnology and Engineering of Sylhet University. For them, actually, I'm preparing this too. So you can see the website of Faculty of Biotechnology and Engineering, Sylhet Agricultural University. This is the home. And if you go for the Dean office, you can see the message of Dean office and our state. We have 6 department, 172 students, 19 faculty members, and actually now 8 labs. And we have 6 department. Number 1, molecular biology and genetic engineering. If you click on this, you will find the chairman, and you will see the teacher's profile there. We have 4 assistant professor in this year. Now, if you want to know about plant and environmental biotechnology, this is the chairman, Dr. Sonia Bindeshwari, and you will find there are 3 teachers, 1 assistant professor and 2 assistant professor. Now, if you want to know about animal and fish biotechnology, you will find this is the chairman's name, and this is the teacher, Dr. Kazim Jinnah, Marco Jang, and Dilruba Afrin. You will know about them more if you click on it. Now, if you want to know the development of pharmaceutical and industrial biotechnology, you can go. This is Mrs. Mahmoud Akhtar Moli. She is the chairman of the department. And if you want to know more about, there are 2 teachers at the moment, Mr. Mahmoud Hassan and Mahmoud Akhtar Moli. Now, if you want to know more about microbial biotechnology, there is the chairman, Qazi Mohammad Jinnah, and they have 3 teachers at the moment. And the rest is biochemistry and chemistry. Here is the chairman, and you will find there are 4 teachers actually, 1 professor, 2 assistant professor, and more about assistants. As I am also the chairman of the German, you can see my profile. If you are interested, you can see my publications, my books chapter, publication from book chapter, and conference papers. If anybody is interested on it, you can go more on it. Now, if anybody is interested about our undergraduate syllabus, this is the home Dean office syllabus. If you want to go on the syllabus, you will find our syllabus. This is actually our OBE-based syllabus. You can see BSc, PhD, degree program, Faculty of Biotechnology and Engineering, Sylhet Agricultural University. Okay. So now, this is the development of course. I will not go details. So you can see the title of the course is Bachelor of Science in Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering. Name of the institute is University. This is the vision. If anybody is interested, can go through it. Okay. If anybody is interested, then you can go for the mission of the university. I will not read it. So if anybody is interested, you can go and read it. Name of the program of Indicative Biotechnology Engineering, the vision of the faculty. If anybody is interested, can read it. Again. The course curriculum, the graduate course curriculum for our you will find this is for level 1 and semester 1. We have courses like in the 111, Introduction to Biotechnology and Engineering Theory, and then fundamentals of animal science theory for 2 kg, and then fundamentals of animal science practical. In our cases, all the practicals are for 1 kg, but for theory, some are 3 kg and some are 2 kg. Crop science theory 3 kg, crop science practical, microbiology theory, and then microbiology practical, chemistry theory, chemistry practical, applied English language theory, and then US sociology. For level 1 and semester 2, you will find chemistry of biomolecular theory, 2 kg, then chemistry of biomolecular practical, agricultural economics theory, nuclear chemistry theory, animal physiology theory for 3 kg, animal physiology practical, plant anatomy and physiology theory, plant anatomy and physiology practical. Introduction to computer language practical for 2 kg, principles of genetics theory, molecular biology theory, and seminar oral. So that is, you will find something different with other university or other undergraduate courses. Here, in all the level and second semester, you will find a course known as seminar and oral. So what is this? You will, in this semester, when this semester is started, you will be selected a supervisor or teacher. He will supervise you, and that person will give you a title. And in the meantime, you have to prepare an assignment, and then you have to submit that assignment, and you have to present something oral, and there will have a voice. For all these things, you have 1 credit. That will increase your knowledge and as well as your communication skill. This subject is different from other university courses. Now, if we go for 2-1, you'll find general parasitology theory, general parasitology practical, environmental science and climate change, principles of plant breeding theory, principles of plant breeding practical, then metabolism, nutrition and biology theory, metabolism, nutrition and biology practical, techniques in molecular biology theory, techniques in molecular biology practical, then general pharmacology and enzymology. So here actually the thing is that this is agriculture university, so most of the course you will find based on agriculture. Like in other biotechnology development or in other universities, you will not find parasitology subject here, there. But here, this is the difference. Here you will find the course on parasitology. So now if you go level 2 second semester 2, you will find animal and fish cell culture theory, animal and fish cell culture practical, then fish breeding and genetics theory, fish breeding and genetics practical, industrial biotechnology theory, cell biology theory, biosafety and biohazard management, microbial genetics, bioreactor and bioreaction engineering. And that I already mentioned that in every level in second semester you will find seminar and oral. So this is for 1 credit. Now if you go in third year, you will find plant cell and tissue culture theory and plant cell and tissue culture practical. Recommending DNA technology theory, recommending DNA practical, molecular biology theory, crop production theory, crop production practical, pharmaceutical biotechnology theory, food and beverage biotechnology theory, food and beverage biotechnology practical, animal breeding theory, animal breeding practical, and fieldwork. In this fieldwork, we actually take you in different places, or different lab, or different institute who are very good in research of this. You will have to write a report, you will prepare a report, and like the previous thing, you have to give a seminar on this. And here we have the food and beverage biotechnology practical. You have a practical actually tour. You will go to a place or beverage food or beverage industry. These are the things. And now if you go on a second semester, you'll find fisheries biotechnology theory, fisheries biotechnology practical, binocology, observation, anthropology, fermentation technology theory, fermentation technology practical, applied gene engineering theory, applied engineering practical, biometry and biostatistics theory, biometry and biostatistics practical, biofertilizer and immunobiology, biofertilizer practical, and seminar work. Already mentioned these things about all second semester. You will find the seminar oral. So now if you go on the fourth semester, you will find these are mostly our own subject: plant biotechnology theory, plant biotechnology practical, immunology and recombinant vaccine, immunology and recombinant vaccine practical, downstream processing of biotechnology products theory, microbial biotechnology theory, microbial biotechnology practical, biomining and environmental biotechnology theory, biomining and environmental biotechnology practical, proteomics, genomics, and bioinformatics theory, proteomics, genomics, and bioinformatics practical. And there you will find again study tour. In study tour, we go normally visit famous places in Bangladesh, biotechnology like National Institute of Biotechnology or Jahangirnagar University or any university or research institute. They have lots of biotechnology facilities. So now the last semester, the fourth year, second semester, you will find animal biotechnology theory, animal biotechnology practical, pharmacognosy, ontology and molecular diagnostic, ontology and molecular practical, physical selection theory and physical selection practical, enterprise development theory, and this is the defined for BG 420 project work and work. For this you have 3 credits. That means in undergraduate level you will have a research work. You have to do a research work, and then you have to prepare a thesis, and then you have to defend that thesis. For this we have 3 credits. So that means we have the facilities. Many of the universities at undergraduate level, they don't get the opportunity to do research, but we are lucky that we got the opportunity to do the research. And you will find some link here. Here you will find different research facilities in our university. So now the question is that some people ask that what's the difference between faculty and development. From one development, in all the Igos University, the degree is given by faculty, not by development. Like in other cases, degrees undergraduate biotechnology engineering, master's is also from biotechnology engineering. Here, undergraduate degree is from faculty of biotechnology engineering, but master's is from different development. Already mentioned you about different development here. Like we mentioned that we have 6 special development like molecular biology engineering, plant and environmental biotechnology, and fish biotechnology, pharmacy, industrial biotechnology, microbial biotechnology, and biochemistry and chemistry. All these development, they give separate master's degree. So we have 6 different types of master's opportunity. So this is different and the superiority of our degree program than other universities. And we have 8 labs. All the 6 departments they have a lab, and we have another lab. That lab is known as bioinformatics lab, and another we have center lab that we do the research work. That for 40 students, we carry out research work in this lab. So I will give some links here. You see here postgraduate program. This is an undergraduate based in biotechnology. For masters, we have MS in biochemistry, MS in molecular biology and engineering, MS in plant and environmental biotechnology, MS in animal and fish biotechnology, MS in pharmaceutical industrial biotechnology, MS in microbial biotechnology. And also PhD program at the moment. We have PhD program at Department of Biochemistry and Chemistry, and also animal and fish biotechnology. Some students are doing their PhD here. So if you have any question, you will find my email there, and you can hope you enjoyed the